Hey y'all, I'm about to start my project 2 for my data analytics class. So for project 2, we are given two different problems. So first we're going to look at problem 1 and see how we're going to solve it. So for problem 1, we're given two different attributes or data sets. So we're given the year's experience and the salary. So what we're supposed to do for this project is use linear regression in Excel to see how the year's experience is affecting our salary. And if we wanted to, we could plug in a value for our year's experience, and Excel would actually predict how that would affect the person's salary. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go to our data tab in Excel. As you can see, I've selected that. And then we're going to go to the analysis section and then select data analysis. So once you do that, it's going to ask you what kind of analysis we're going to run. As I mentioned before, we're going to be doing linear regression on this project, so you'll select regression. Um, the next is deciding which value is going to be which. So as I mentioned before, we're using the employee's year's experience to predict how their salary is affected. So in this example, year's experience is the independent variable we already have. So this would be the x value. On the other hand, the salary is what is dependent on the year's experience, so it is the dependent variable, or the y value. So we're going to run that in data analysis, and it will give us our result. I'll be right back with problem 2 of project 2. Hey y'all, I'm back with problem 2 of our data analytics project 2. So for problem 2, we're basically have the same thing to do, except instead of salary data, we have price data. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to go to our data tab, and we're going to run data analysis in Excel and we're going to use linear regression. The only thing different is that our independent and dependent variables are different. So for this example, we're going to be using the list price to predict the best price, which is what the item will actually sell for, I guess, after it goes through auction or whatever. So list price is what is independent, it's what's already set, so it's going to be our X value. And the best price is what depends on the list value's initial value. So it's going to be the dependent variable or the Y value. So that's how we're going to start our project 2. Thank you.